Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be discussing euro US dollar, so you can say this is a technical analysis of the euro US dollar, plus I will be showing you how I used my own strategy and I became bullish on the euro US dollar. Then I discussed it in the weekly forex forecast videos. Then I also uploaded a special dedicated video for the forecast of the euro US dollar on 19th March 2025. So this is the second part of that same video. I will be giving the link of that video in the description, so make sure to check both of the videos one by one, and you will understand the exact message that I want to give in this particular video. So first of all, I want to tell you that in this video I will be letting you know that what was the actual reason for me to become bullish on the euro US dollar. And I was in these few weeks, few months I should say, since the start of this year, I'm keep saying buy euro and buy euro. So what were the reason behind that? Obviously those who follow me already know. Those who already know, stay with me till the end because there is a lot more in this video. Without wasting further time, let's jump into this euro US dollar and find out what it can give us in the future and what was my reason to become a bullish on the euro US dollar from a price point of 1.02. So let's have a look at it, and I also will be explaining my strategy, so then you will have a very clear image of the market in your mind. So let's go. Everything is set and now we are ready. First of all, if you see, what I did is, this market no doubt is very nicely going down from here and from here when I was looking for a monthly setup. So if I tell you this impulsive leg, due to this impulsive leg, I got this position, this rally, and then I got this and I got this buy. So it gave me one buy, one sell, and another buy in the longer run, and these are bigger moves on the monthly time frame. So this is very nice. Now the main reason that I became bullish on the euro US dollar is that last year I became bearish, right? And that reason was this 61.8% retracement. You see right here, 61.8% retracement at approximately 1.13076, a very good number it was. So if we round it up, it will be 1.13 or 1.12, no big difference, right? So 1.12, because it was a Fibonacci fantastic number. So when it go back up from here, we did Fibonacci from here till here, and this was a 61.8% retracement. Let me do it in front of you so that you guys have no confusion in your mind, right? Let's delete this, and let's mark this level like this, and then draw Fibonacci from here till there, and you will know that this level of 61.8% retracement was a very fantastic one right here. 1.02 approximately. When we go to the daily, I will be refining it. So the market behaved very nicely in the past. How many years in the past? 1st of December, 1st of December 2020. So since 2020 till now, so far the market is behaving very nicely, right? Now why I became bullish? Because this was a Fibonacci. Now it's not just about becoming bullish. How I spotted these buy setups that I discussed in the weekly forex forecast video. When the price was right here, what did I say on the daily time frame back then? What I say is, as soon as it hit the price, I didn't traded this one for a long term, but when it came back, what it gave me, it gave me a double bottom pattern right here. If you see, now if I add RSI, you will understand it even more better, right? So let me add RSI, and then those who ask me about my RSI settings, so period 5, level 80 and level 20, overbought and oversold conditions. So right here if you see, we have like sort of like a divergence. If you see right here, all the way started from here. Now what is divergence? Let me quickly very quickly explain. If you see this level right here, the RSI is lower, but when it take a bounce, RSI was right here, so it is slightly above, so it means this is a divergence. Right now pay very close attention, because what I am discussing is for you to understand this particular strategy. So very simple, the market did nothing very strange, right? A very nice double bottom and a very nice divergence, and the market continue bullish. Right now let me break it down further. Okay, so if we see, by then there was one other level, and that level was this. So when I became bullish, what I said is that there is one number of Fibonacci, and that number of Fibonacci is near 1.08. You see right here, 1.0808. So when I took these buying decisions, all of them, even in the weekly Forex forecast videos, I said I close these positions right here. Okay. And then I also said that I am not going to take a sell trade, because remember, if I was going to take a sell trade, it would be something like this. I explained it earlier. Maybe some candles like this, some consolidation, showing it to the bottom side of the market. What it did is, let me also add it line right here. So what it did is, it just gave us a breakout of the level. So this level was breakout, right? And then this same level was retest, and then the market continue pushing up. Right now, from right now where it is going, is it going back up or is it coming back down, and what can be the right approach to look at this market right now? Let me also explain that to you. And in order to understand that, for that we have to look at these time frames and these previous trends as well. But for now, just understand that market was supposed to drop from right here, and then we were supposed to take buying decisions from right here. First thing first, I want to tell you that when I entered right here several positions, this market gave this structure, and I just want to zoom in and I just want to show you that what it did. And right here if you see, so from this level the market became bullish, right? From right here I assume it became bullish, right, because of this validation of the double bottom. So the double bottom was validated. Right here we did nothing, here we did nothing, but when it came back down, Fibonacci from here till here, and on the H4 this was a 61.8% retracement. We have got a fantastic divergence on a daily time frame. We have a double bottom. So right here I became bullish, the market continued, and even it gave another 61.8% retracement, and boom, and right here I exited the market. So I exited the market because this level was for a sell. Right now, remember my friends, if a level is for a sell, it doesn't mean we are going to take a sell. We have to wait for proper setups. So I waited for a proper setup, and what setup did I get? I was looking for a sell setup right here, but I also said that whenever price breaks my level, it has to come back down to that level and test it if it is a valid breakout, right? So let's say if it continue back down, we would say this is not a valid one, but what it did is it continued back up. So on a daily time frame, personally I don't like these breakout trades, especially let's say if I missed this move, this buy move. Let's say if this was missed from me for some reason, this buying move for some reason, I would definitely be waiting for a sell right here or a buy right here. So either setup I get, either a buy or a sell, I would trade it in that direction. So right here what it did is it gave a breakout retest, so a buy setup formed and result is right here in front of you. Now if I make the chart a little bit like this, let me also delete this RSI for now. If we see right here on the daily time frame, what is the other resistance level we have? The resistance level is 1.13, right? So 1.13, now I have to assume since it took a retest right here, it is continue back up to further 565 pips. Now to those who are trying to trade right here, I will suggest don't trade, right? And this will be a very good buy if market come back down and take a retest, so it will be even more further. You see some sort of a setup like this, right? And then the continuation, so same setup like this, and by then on the RSI if we have some sort of divergence, then this will be a fantastic trade towards 1.13. If it continues from here, don't try to buy from here because then that is not the perfect idea. So remember my friends, there is one thing, and that is there are total 9 time frames. Now keep pay very close attention right here. Total 9 time frames, right? And I want to tell you that this whole setup that I took all the way from here, where did it formed? It formed on that monthly correction, right? Now let me show it to you this way, and then it will be even more clear for you, because then we will have the dates as well. So from 13th of January, this market continued bullish. 13th January, right? And when I was discussing it on 19th of March, I just want to give you a little bit of H4 situation. So by on 19th of March, what I said is that no doubt this is standing at a very nice sell point, but if someone wants to take a sell, they should not be looking to that other zone, uh, but they should be looking for their targets. So target area hit, and those who were willing to buy, obviously the buy setup was confirmed and continued bullish. If we see right now, this plan, if you see, double top on the H4 is confirmed, but we have like on the daily time frame very bad situation. So I'm not going to take a sell, but I rather would be waiting for a Fibonacci 61.8% correction, and if I get it, then definitely I will be trading it to the top side of the market. Well, market already hit this 61.8% retracement, if you see. So it is further like showing bullish, and right here if we see, it is now stuck in the middle, right? So what it did again, it did nothing very fancy. It simply plotted this move, then A, then B, then C, and obviously D is going to be maybe somewhere right here. So if this plan works, it will be even more fantastic, and it will open doors for the bulls to further take buying entries. So it can be one plan on the H4. Otherwise on the daily, if you follow, that is always the best one. And see, these charts are obviously less noisy as well at the same time. So if you look at the market this way, you will always be successful. But remember, my friend, if you don't look at the market this way, then don't think that you will be getting good profit from the market, right? Always losing and losing and losing. And yes, at the moment there are, these, why let me tell you why these bulls entered into the market, because this was a Fibonacci zone and they are trying to take the market back to what level? To this level for now, exactly at 1.13076. So don't, like, there is a good chance this double top will be invalid because it formed at a very very bad place, right? So this is again a good buying zone, this also a good buying zone right here. And let's see what we can get, but the master level, and that I see, if the market drops still here, then we do this. Okay, remember, whenever we open the chart, we just see that what right now can I do. If you have this type of mentality, then I will highly suggest you go for some sort of learning and some practice, right? Because you see, from 13th of January 2025, very very nicely this market is going up, very nicely respecting the support. So if someone is not making money, this is not the strategy but their psychology. So this was a little euro US dollar update, and I hope you guys will like this, and you will be giving me your feedback in the comment section down below. I will see you in some other video, maybe still I have to upload a video of my trading strategy in 2025, and I will be only uploading that if I get enough comments on this video. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Bye bye.